Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your own channel, Meedu Study. Friends, I am your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore and your friend in this marketing journey in which we are learning marketing concepts in a very simple language. Till now, we have understood what is marketing, difference between sales and marketing, wants, demands, and in last session we learned about market offerings. Our session ended with a term of customer value, and I promise you that in next session I will tell you what is customer value driven marketing strategy. This is what our today's video is all about. See, whenever a marketer want to design this strategy of marketing, he needs to keep customer in mind, and that is what differentiate marketing from sales. This is something on which every one of us is clear. So now today we will discuss how we can make a strategy in keeping this customer in mind. That would be known as customer value driven marketing strategy. Aim of marketing. This is something which we have already studied, but to relate to this topic I am repeating it again. All of us are clear. Marketing means engaging customer, building profitable relationship with them, and once you have them, then delivering superior value to them. Also in goals of marketing we studied that a marketer has to bring in new customer as well as keep catering to the existing customers. So we are clear what is marketing all about. So marketing strategy and a winning marketing strategy is something which will keep this in mind. Now, to keep things in a simple way and to make life of every one of us easier, let me tell you, if you want to make winning marketing strategy, just answer two questions. First, what customers will we serve? What is our target market? Why this is important? This is important because unless we understand who is our customer, how will we win in our marketing campaign? If our target segment is a kid and we are using a person, an actor of maybe 80s whom the kid doesn't even know, why will he relate to that? Instead of that, we are using any particular cartoon character whom he relates to, or maybe any superhero whom he relates to, then he will understand it better. Take another example, you are making a particular product which is focused to the modern women living in a metro of particular age group, say maybe 25 to 40. So even the brand ambassador or the person you are showcasing in the campaign should be related to that, so that the person can relate. So the first concept is decide what will be the target market. Once you have decided that, then how we are going to serve them. How we are going to serve them means we remember we studied about need, want and demand. So what need, want and demand are we fulfilling through the various market offering, product, service and experience. So now you can see how various things are relating, and this is the reason that we are keeping in this particular sequence. So this is how winning marketing strategy is defined. Now these further two elements can be broken into further steps. Let us discuss it one by one. First is selecting which customer to serve. See, market is full of customers. Even within India, we have 135 crore population, and if you go to world, it would be around 8 billion. So you cannot fulfill everyone's need. You will have some particular segment which you have in mind. How to know that? Best way is in that particular market, break it into different segments. That process is known as segmentation. Then list down those segments, and within those segments select which segment you are going to target. That is known as target marketing. Friends, segmentation and target marketing are very important concepts in marketing. There is a whole detailed study on them, and it is also a very detailed topic which in our going sessions we will study. In today's video, our idea is to understand these basics so that we can start applying in our marketing concept. So we have segmented the market, chosen our target market. Now what is the next step? Next step is choosing the value proposition. How you choose that value proposition? See, you need to understand that what value you are giving to the customer. How is your brand better? And how can you understand that? By knowing what is the differentiation. Differentiation means how my brand is different from the other brand. So if you are going to buy a mobile phone, the shop would have maybe say 8 brands. Why should the consumer buy your particular brand? There will be some differentiating feature. That differentiating feature is known as differentiation. And once you have decided upon differentiation, then you need to position yourself for that particular thing. Another daily life example, see, all of us remember Domino's has a proposition that it delivers pizza in some particular time, if not then it gives for free. So what it wants to position itself is that we are delivering it in the best possible earliest time. Or there are some logistic companies which position themselves that our delivery is the fastest delivery. Within 24 hours you will get your thing delivered. So you need to be clear. Again, differentiation and positioning are important marketing concepts which we will study in detail. For now, just understand these steps. First of all, within the market, we divided the market into segments. Segmentation, step 1. Among those segments, we choose our target segment, target marketing, step 2. Then we decided how our brand is different from others, differentiation. And once we have decided upon that feature, we are positioning ourselves. Step 4, positioning. So if your marketing strategy has these 4 elements very clearly defined, then it will be a winning strategy and you will always succeed in your marketing. Now, in the last slide, I refer to the term of value proposition. So value proposition basically is the benefits or value which we are promising to the consumer, which will satisfy their needs and demands. And like I also mentioned, how to identify it, just answer the question, why should the consumer buy your brand rather than a competitor brands? That is choosing upon the value proposition. Friends, hope the concept of designing a marketing strategy based on customer value is clear to you, and all of you are clear how you can decide and make a winning strategy. This was the aim of our 5th session in Marketing English study on Meedu channel. In our next video, we will discuss about various marketing orientations which are there. So within these offerings and this strategy, there are different orientation which a company can decide. We will come with that in our next video in great details. Till then, hope you liked our video. Please, if you have any suggestion, write us to in meedu.study@gmail.com. You can also share it in the comment box. If you liked our today's video, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel Meedu Study. Have a good day, friend. Take care.